Good solid advice about how to make money online that anyone can use. Learning what you can do to make money on the internet can be tough, especially if you're new to this. Use this video to put yourself in the right direction. This should help you get started with earning money the right way soon. Do some surveys to make an online income. There's no shortage of online surveys out there. These are a good source of online income. Usually, these surveys don't pay a lot. That said, if you have some spare time, they're better than nothing. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards, and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. Have a lot of different ways to make money online. Earning a steady income can be challenging on the internet. What is popular can change with new technology. Therefore, it is in your own best interest to work for a few different people/businesses. If one thing runs dry, you'll have other things to keep your income coming in. If you aren't sure where to start or how to approach things, earning money online might not turn out well. Your best bet is to follow the advice of people who, like you, see the promise of online work. Apply what you've learned here, and you will be rewarded handsomely. Student loan.